Baby in the yellow. You gotta be kidding me. Build the pirate guy. No, I'm not. Ah, the feeling of skipping an ad. I won. By the way, I already beating the game, so I don't care if I redo the game. I'm just gonna play as normal. Wait. If you have a... Wait. Let me make the baby cry. You kind of look like an egg. If you have a crying baby, get a piece of cheese and get a piece of cheese on the ground. Alright, stop screwing around. Here you go, baby. Eat. Yay! Alright, I want to play the full game. Crown childcare and other stuff. You know? Baby. Oh, no, I did not mean it like that. I meant it like this. Yeah! Now act normal. Or that's gonna be worse than this time. Yeesh. Alright. There. Alright. Alright. You want the kitty? No. You want all of them. Here you go. Turn out my phone. Time to read. Across the shore, in a distant land, with a dark star overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed. I found a secret garden, said the cat with much delight. Exactly, they ran outside, exploring the night. They walked through the golden gate. Look at the pretty trees. They walk along the pretty pebble path. Look at the colorful flowers. They walk past the fabulous flowing fountain. Look at the dancing water. Look. Shut up! But the prince didn't like the garden. She kicked down the trees. He dug up the flowers, grabbed the hedges, pulled off the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched in the fear. What a mistake I have made. The cat cried out, I should have never brought him here.